So I've got a problem here. It says Jasmine invests $2,658 in a retirement account with a fixed annual interest rate of 9%. So it's growing by 9% every year. What will the account balance be after 15 years? Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar and don't include the dollar sign. So I know I'm going to use this function, y equals a times b to the x power, where a is my initial value and b is going to be my growth factor. So my initial value, how much money she has in the retirement account, starts with 2,658. So I'm going to put that in Desmos, and don't include a comma when you do this. Now, the growth rate is 9%. So 9 divided by 100 gives me the decimal that I'm going to use. But if I put this 0.09 into my function here, I get a function that's decaying. So it's not growing by 9%. This function is getting smaller. I know if I'm trying to make it bigger, if I want to make it grow, I'm going to have to add a 1 here. So this is saying you're starting with 100% of your money, and then you're adding 9% onto it. And then if I double check, my function's growing, which is exactly what I want. Now it says, what will the account balance be after 15 years? So what I would do is take out X and put in 15 because X tells us time and they're asking about 15 years. Take out X, put in 15. And if I'm following the instructions, it says to round to the nearest whole dollar. So I've got $9,681.71. Well, that 71 cents is going to bump me up to $9,682 instead of $81 because it's asking me to round to the nearest whole dollar. So to recap, what I did was find my starting point. I know what my percent increase is. I put that as a decimal right here. This gave me a decaying function, so I had to add a 1 in front of it to give me a growing function. And then I got my function that I can use, and then I could swap out my x value for what the problem is asking.